welcome to my channel. I'm Brene and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I have an interesting segment for you guys. I'm going to be filming my brunch shenanigans today, and you're also going to be meeting one of my closest and dearest friends, Bailey, and I actually think she's outside, so I'm going to just be filming everything that we do today. So I am going to be right back with everything that we do, and I'm going to try to include every single thing in the video. And I'm really excited for you guys to meet her because, like I said, she's one of my dearest and closest friends. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hi, Bailey.
Hi.
You cut your hair. Oh my God. Okay, this is not the Bailey that I'm used to, you guys. So this is a shocker for me too. Oh my God.
You know, new beginnings.
So good. I'm excited. You guys, this is so good. I can't. And I ordered another mimosa. Ordered the island mimosa at Hair of the Dog. You'll be obsessed, just like I am. I ordered a shrimp and crab meat omelet with mushrooms, tomato, and spinach. I don't think it's long. What do you guys think about her new haircut? You guys don't know what her hair looked like before, so I can't really say anything, but
Halfway down my back.
I think her hair looks good this way. She wants to cut it shorter. What do you guys think?
Just a little bit.
So we are now at the parade. So beautiful out here, you guys.
It's like warm.
Super warm.
Hey, these ones aren't right. It's very simple, no problem. I mean, you guys did most of it. You got a picture of this place?
So beauties, the sun is out and I am here for it. Bailey's been on her phone the entire time. Hot. It is getting hot. Oh my God, the sun! It feels so good.
I need my glasses. What's Daddy's name? Art. See.
Don't they all? So one of our favorite things to do today has been taking pictures in the photo booth. Bailey's in there right now. We've already taken pictures and I think she wants to take more.
Let's take ours together.
Okay, so we're gonna take pictures together. I guess we can do, let's do color.
Oh, I wasn't wrong.
Oh God, that looks crazy.
We look crazy.
Perfect. We look insane.
Describes our friendship pretty well.
Definitely. I'm not really good at these things where you push the door thing.
Yeah, I didn't push. I didn't know that was a thing.
The sun!
Forgot what it looked like. I wanted to live here so bad.
Where?
Right here at The Hague.
Ew.
Have you been inside it?
I don't think I want to go
On the
inside.
top floor, it's like the 21st floor, there's a gym that overlooks like the city. There's a sauna, a hot tub, and a pool open year round on the top floor overlooking the city. All utilities are included. There's a whole mail room, so when you get packages, they can deliver it and they put it in like its own little mailbox, and you pick it up on your own whenever you want. You have your own code. They do trash. You literally set your trash outside your door. They have people that come pick it up. It's bougie.
Okay. It doesn't look like it on the outside.
Yeah, you gotta go in because it's nice. This is their sister company though. This is their sister one.
Okay.
It's
I mean, that looks better than
the towers.
the actual company.
This one just doesn't have that nice ass.
It looks better to me. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy Bailey. Bye, Bailey. Look at Bailey's new cut. So stylish. She's gonna get all the bitches with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.